Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is kind of two things in one. It seems like the most basic thing in the world, but it's actually one of my most requested videos is how do I get my mascara, because people always think I have eyelash extensions and I have had them and I did love them. If you want me to do a video just on my eyelash extensions, then let me know in the comment box below. But yes, I did wear them for some time. Occasionally when I go out, I wear false eyelashes. But if you would like to know my tips and tricks for how I make my real lashes look like I'm wearing fake lashes, and in this video, I am going to do a little product review on new Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. One of my favorite all-time mascaras is called Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Then I just recently saw, they were sold out of it, but I saw they had a new mascara, and it almost has the same exact brush as Better Than Sex. So this is the brush for Damn Girl Mascara. And then I will show you, and one of the best things about this mascara is the brush. This is the Better Than Sex mascara brush. If you want to see how I make my lashes look like this, it's basically technique. One of the things that I like to do when I first start out is I kind of wiggle the brush like this from the roots up, so it gets it really full right at the bottom and thick, and then you push up, and that's how you can kind of curl your lashes to get longer. So that's something you kind of have to practice, is just kind of shaking it a little bit right at the very bottom, and then you stroke up. When I am almost done, then I take it and I go in at the end and I turn the brush around and I paint it this way. And that's how you really get it to go like extra long, like it is a false eyelash. The only difference between these two mascaras is that this one, I think, really curls and holds into place, and it is a great color black. It's a really deep, as you can tell, it looks like fake lashes. And this one, I think it builds, it really kind of clumps your lashes and it thickens more. It's a little more bendable, where the Damn Girl mascara really kind of stays in place where you put it. My experience, the little bit that I've played with it this week, the Damn Girl mascara, it's more smudge proof than the other one. That's just from my experience. Can I get it off as easily? I don't know. Okay, so the first thing that I always do is I take just my average eyelash curler, and you want to run a blow dryer on it just for a few minutes to heat it up, and it should get hot pretty fast. Then don't put it on when it's way too hot. You have to let it cool for a second, and then you want to curl your lashes, starting with my bottom lashes first. And I am going to be trying new Damn Girl Mascara by Too Faced. You can see it has a really big brush. Now, if anything ever gets underneath, you just want to take a Q-tip and wait for it to dry. Don't do it when it's wet. Just wait for it to dry, and then it will flick right off. So this is only one coat, and already it looks like I have so much lashes on. I have to wait for this coat to dry. But these are my lashes. This is one coat on the bottom, one coat on the top, and I'm gonna go back in and put one more coat on the top. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you got a little something out of this video. All in all, I think this is a great mascara. I definitely will purchase the big one. Let me know in the comment box what your favorite mascara is, and don't forget the most important thing, I need people to subscribe to my channel. It's nice that y'all watch, but you have to subscribe. And until next time, I will see you right back here on my channel.